Welcome. In this quick guide, you'll learn how to turn on tailored like notifications for your posts on X right from your web browser on your PC. If you love staying updated on who's enjoying your content, this feature is exactly what you'll want to switch on. Let's get started. First, open your browser and head to x.com. Make sure you're logged into the account where you want to adjust your notification settings. Once you're on the home page, look over to the left-hand side menu. You'll see several options like Home, Explore, and Messages. Click on Notifications. At the top right of your notifications page, find and click on Settings. This will open the area where you can manage exactly how and when X sends alerts about your activity. Next, click on Preferences. Inside Preferences, select Push Notifications. This is where you control notifications that appear right on your screen, even when you're not actively using X. Now scroll down to the section titled Related to You and Your Posts. Here, you'll see several notification types you can customize. Find the one labeled Likes. This controls how you're notified when someone likes your post. To get the most personalized experience, choose the option labeled Tailored for You. By selecting this, X will fine-tune your notifications, showing you the most relevant activity based on your account and interactions. It's a helpful way to keep up with engagement that actually matters to you, instead of getting overwhelmed by every single like. Once you've made that selection, you're all set. From now on, your like notifications will be customized to better match your interests and audience. And that's it, simple, quick, and effective. You've just turned on tailored like notifications on X for the web. If you found this helpful, don't forget to check out more tips on how to get the most out of your X account.